eMudra launches digital signature certificates for FPIs, streamlining entry into India's capital markets. eMudra has announced the launch of digital signature certificates designed specifically for foreign portfolio investors, marking a strategic step in simplifying access to India's capital markets. The initiative focuses on enabling faster, compliant, and fully digital onboarding for global investors looking to participate in Indian securities markets. As India continues to attract strong foreign capital inflows, regulatory onboarding and authorization processes have become increasingly complex for FPIs. Cross-border documentation, physical signatures, and time-consuming verification have often slowed market access, creating friction for global funds and institutions. eMudra's FPI-focused digital signature certificates aim to address these challenges by enabling legally valid digital signing and secure authorization. This allows FPIs to complete onboarding and transactional workflows without dependence on paper-based processes or cross-border logistical delays. The solution is fully aligned with India's regulatory framework and integrates seamlessly with market intermediaries. Custodians, brokers, fund administrators, and market infrastructure institutions can now support end-to-end digital workflows, improving efficiency and reducing operational risk. From a market perspective, this launch strengthens the digital backbone of India's capital markets. Faster onboarding and execution can improve ease of doing business for foreign investors, potentially supporting higher participation and smoother capital inflows over time. Management highlighted that digital trust is becoming a prerequisite for operating at scale in modern financial markets. By offering purpose-built DSCs for FPIs, eMudra is positioning itself at the intersection of compliance, security, and market infrastructure. The launch also reinforces eMudra's role as a trusted technology partner within India's regulated financial ecosystem. With established deployments across banking, securities, and enterprise segments, the company brings institutional-grade security and scalability to global investor onboarding. Beyond immediate onboarding efficiency, the introduction of FPI-focused DSCs creates a longer-term opportunity for digitization across the capital market value chain. Processes such as corporate actions, regulatory filings, disclosures, and cross-border reporting can increasingly move to fully digital execution. The offering also aligns with eMudra's broader strategy of enabling cross-border digital trust. By helping global entities interact securely with Indian markets, the company is building relevance beyond domestic use cases and expanding its addressable opportunity. For investors tracking eMudra, this development signals a move towards deeper integration with capital market infrastructure rather than standalone certificate issuance. The ability to embed its solutions into core financial workflows could support stronger client stickiness over time. What is your view on eMudhra's FPI-focused digital signature certificates? Do you see this as a meaningful long-term growth lever in capital market infrastructure, or a niche compliance-driven offering with limited scale? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.